What's going on over here? Ah. Oh my, look at that. We must be in the snow country. They say it might snow a couple days from now. And I was coming over here to show you what was on this pallet. It's not here anymore. Where'd it go? Ah, maybe it's down. I think it's downstairs. My neighbors just got something. And they said it was okay. I videoed it and I thought, okay. So they just got a Murphy bed and it came in a couple big old huge boxes, and four of us, Mommy and I, came down here with them. And here it is in this box. A better way. Hey guys.
Whoa, hello there.
VideoJoe.
VideoJoe. I gotta get our computer.
Here's this is a Murphy bed. Looks like a piece of furniture. And it comes with the directions. And they actually watched a video of it, and they said it was pretty easy to install, or it looked fairly simple to install. And they said I could come over here and video them. And let's see what this is here. Here's the sides. Here's the sides. It was all nicely, wow, these are just heavy in themselves.
They are.
Yeah. And it's gonna fit right up against that wall there. And it's gonna end up looking like a piece of furniture when they fold it up. So it's gonna look like that. Okay? And these suckers are heavy. I thought the guy who was gonna drop it off was gonna be the one to install it, but apparently not. Apparently not. Check that out before you get it. And we're gonna see what kind of tools it takes. There's all the hardware for it. And it even comes with a lighting kit. And this is coming from the Better Way company. How much did this thing cost anyways? $1,500 or so? More? 18. $9.95?
$49.95.
Oh, $49.95. Oh, okay. $5,000.
Yep.
$5,000 for a Murphy bed. If you were to buy one of these at like a furniture store, is that how much they cost, or do they cost even more?
Probably be less.
Less?
Less for just the Murphy bed itself.
Okay,
Most
but
Murphy beds come with cabinetry on either side
uh-huh.
for either closet storage or nightstands or whatever. So just for the Murphy bed, you could probably buy one, just the Murphy bed itself, for around $2,000.
Okay, but this
Or
comes
less.
with the Murphy bed frame as well as cabinetry.
And it's a special order, special stain,
Oh,
special
okay.
design. It's
Okay.
more upgraded design than most Murphy beds.
So they have different ones you can choose, probably.
Yes, and you can see all the different stains you could have it.
Oh, I see.
But yes, they
Oh,
have
that's-
multiple. They could be just a flat panel on front, so there's not the detail you see on this one.
Uh-huh. So does the spring mattress, is that in here too?
No.
That's not in here. But so you have to purchase that separately?
The mattress is already purchased. It's in a box in
Uh-huh.
the hallway in the closet.
Oh, and you got one of those
This
purple.
one had to be special order because it's deeper than the standard Murphy bed. Most Murphy beds give you maximum 13-inch for a mattress.
Uh-huh.
We have a 15-inch mattress.
Oh, okay, so.
They had to make it larger on the sides to accommodate the larger mattress.
Oh, and they'll do that.
They do that for an additional $200 charge.
Oh, okay.
Extra depth bed was $200. The
Uh-huh.
lighting package was $200. The bed size queen, because it's a queen as opposed to a full, is 200. Base price was 43 just for.
Wow.
So
Wow.
it adds
So-
up by the time.
So they can mix and match.
They can.
And you decided to do it this way than getting it from a furniture place because the furniture place.
No
made-
furniture place in Reno carries the extra depth for the mattress.
Oh, okay.
We checked 2 or 3 places in Reno. They didn't offer anything that would accommodate the mattress. Therefore, we did a special order
Gotcha.
out of Better Ways.
Okay.
So
Nice. Okay, well, I'm curious as to how this is going together. Oh. There's the video. They show you an actual video, and it's right here. They put it up on the TV. So you're just going to play a little bit at a
a
time.
bit at a time, see what
There you
takes
go.
us. And it makes us all feel more comfortable as far as what we were doing. Because I think
Oh,
it's
that's-
a one-shot deal.
That's cool.
So, step
Okay.
one,
Step one.
So I could get those 2 pieces out.
do we have to take it back
So
to
that-
our niche back here?
So that's cool. You get this, and then it comes with the video.
Measure to see if
And
it's clear.
here, there's free shipping, and it's from Better Way. Okay, check that out. Next time you need a Murphy bed. Okay, so they're gonna get it over here, and we're gonna kind of see how this thing goes together. Now the bottoms here, you notice there's a notch like that, and there's 2 notches, and they say that you may have to notch it yourself depending how tall your baseboard is, because it's designed to fit right up against the sheetrock, the drywall. Okay, and so I think the notch on there was 5 inches, and his baseboard's taller than 5 inches.
5.5.
5.5, so he's gonna have to notch it a ½ inch. Okay, so, you know, if you got a little saw, little hacksaw, or a jigsaw, or anything like that, handsaw, whatever, you're gonna have to notch that out a little bit more, is all. Hey, read the directions, make sure you understand everything first, and if it does have a video that comes with it, watch the video, play the video over maybe once or so, get acclimated to your project. And do you think any average Joe can do this, Tommy?
They say anybody can do it.
Well, can you do it?
We are anybody.
They say it could take 2 to 4 hours for 2 guys.
2 to 4 hours. Okay, 2 to 4 hours. Hey, this is not something you're gonna throw together in an hour, but take your time on it, do it right, and I'm sure you'll be able to get her put together. He's taking his brackets like this, and there's a pre-drilled big hole with pilot holes here. Little screws here. And he's just putting them in. These are the brackets for the bottom. And see this here, once you put your mattress in, you put this over it, and that keeps the mattress from falling out as you swivel it up. So we'll see. It'll come together here in a minute. I have a feeling. Just read the directions and just A, B, C, D. You know.
It needs to come down a little bit.
You want it? Are you? Well, that was a workout in itself, just to get those screws in there. And then this bracket here fits in there. And like I say, you just follow this direction step by step.
The lock nuts.
You know,
Okay. So does it-
one bit at a time.
Do we need
Oh,
a-
my lock nut. He's gonna put the lock nut on there now. And
You got a
we'll see what happens here.
branch here.
Here's Tom screwing off again. So far, all we've needed is his drill. And a Phillips screwdriver. And we made a couple notches, you saw. And
There's one in there.
And some of these screws had, like over there, I just put that bracket in over there. Right there, and there were little sex bolts on the outside that pushed in, and then just regular, machine screws that screwed it in and attached it. And oh, not that one, this one here. See those? I call those sex bolts. You put those in, there's threads in it, and then there's a screw from the back side that goes into it. Okay, and like I say, you follow the directions there. Follow the directions on there, and here's the wrench they gave you. I mean, if you don't have a crescent wrench, you could probably use this. I ended up not using that because I had the little crescent, to tighten that up. Make sure that this flows freely. Which it does. And Tom put this one on. Oh, see, he's got this just a hair tight. See? And it's designed that you can put, so it's not 100% tight. And it's because it's got a nut on there too. Oh, yes, I'm just spinning the outside. So I'll have to get the Allen wrench, hold that so I can loosen that. And that nut is designed to still be tight even though you've loosened it. Does it make sense? There's a lock nut, lock washer inside there. So I'm going to do that so that this runs freely. See, you don't want it too tight. You want it so that it's loose. Okay? All right. And see, the reason why we had to notch this out a little bit taller is because apparently it's designed on most of them. Most people put this on carpet. Well, this is a hardwood floor, so that's why the baseboard is up taller. If this was carpet, you'd have 1/2-inch carpet pad underneath the carpet, and then that would raise this up higher at the bottom of the baseboard. You see what I mean? And so that's why we had to do that. And on the directions it says you may have to do that. And have we ever installed one of these before?
These things in first?
No. None of us have, but they're diligent on reading the directions and putting these in. Main thing is to put them on the right panels, and it's pretty easy because one panel on the side, see, has a notch in it, like that, see? And the other panel out here does not have a notch on it, okay? So when you're reading the directions, it's very straightforward as to how that's going together. One of the things he said is we're going to have to find the studs in this wall to mount the top thing because they got a light kit. I'm like, okay. I mean, I was just here to kind of run the camera on here, and I've been helping him a little bit too, but hey, we're going to stick with it and get this puppy